आपके बच्चों में प्रतिभा की कोई कमी नहीं, जरूरत है सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसे निखारने की।
Hello everyone, my name is Sika Kesri from Surya Institute Chatra. We will discuss about long form of modern periodic table. Nowadays there are 118 elements have been discovered. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. The credit for this goes to Sir Henry Moseley in 1913. Modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements is the periodic function of its atomic number. In modern periodic table, elements are classified into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block elements. S block elements, those elements in which last electron enters as subcell is called S block elements. S block elements can be classified into 2 groups, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 is called alkali metals and its general electronic configuration is NS1, and group 2 is called alkali earth metal and its general electronic configuration is NS2. Note, the general electronic configuration of S block elements is NS1 and 2. NS1 2. The general characteristics of S block is: first, they are soft metals and having low melting and boiling point. They are low ionization enthalpy. They are very reactive. They act as a strong reducing agent. Most of them impart characteristics colors to the flame. Its remember trick is: हे ली ना कर रब से फरियाद, बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप प्रतिदिन। S block elements are situated in the left side of the modern periodic table. P block elements, those elements in which last electron enters P subcell is called P block elements. P block elements are situated in the right side of the modern periodic table. P block elements can classify into 6 groups, group 13 to group 18. The first member of this group are boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and helium. 13 group is called boron family, 14 group is called carbon family, 15 group is called nitrogen family, 16 group is called oxygen family, 17 group is called fluorine family and 18 group is called noble gas. All types of elements are found in these blocks: solid, metal, non-metal and metalloids. Example: aluminium is a metal, carbon, nitrogen is a non-metal and boron, silicon, arsenic is a metalloid. S block elements, S block and P block also called as representative elements. D block elements, those elements in which last electron enters D block. D subcell is called D block elements. D block elements are situated in the middle of the modern periodic table. D block elements can classify into 10 groups, group 3 to group 12. All metals are found in these groups are metallic form. Hg is the exception of this block. According to Avogadro principle, Cr, Cu, Ag and Au are exception of Avogadro principle. This block is also called transition element. F block can be classified into 2 series, lanthanide series and actinide series. Actinide series are radioactive in nature. F block is also called inner transition elements. That's all. I hope you like this video. Please comment, share,
subscribe and like. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.